So I got him a new water fountain. And it's motion censored. Good boy. There's water. You like it? Yeah. Did you water? Good boy. He's like, what is this stuff? And so it has a drain, so the water never overfills. Good job. Good boy. Did you water? And it goes down a little drain there. It has a little drain right there. I got this from Amazon. I'm talking low because I don't want to startle him. This is a new item for him. And that's the company. That's water. Yeah? You like it? And it's rechargeable, so I just charged it. Don't drown yourself now. Good boy. What is it? Is it the water? Is it the water? Good boy. Be careful, don't drown. He's gonna get water in your nose. It's gonna come out, it's gonna wet you in your face. So it's very entertaining to him right now. So he's gonna be here for a while. Good job. Good boy. You drink the waters?
It's not dirty, it's just see-through, so the water, when it goes through that little opening, that's what those, see the lines? That's just the water moving down. Anyway, you can change the settings if you want it to be like, like that, just, I guess, periodically goes on and off. Oh, wait. And then I guess you can make it where it like senses you near it and it goes on. Or you can just completely turn it off. It's pretty cool. And you have to put enough water in it, because at first I was like, oh, let me test to see if it works, and I hadn't filled it up enough so that it wasn't able to pull anything, and I was like, oh no, it doesn't work. And I was like, well, let me just put a little more water just in case, because I don't want to just put a bunch of water in and waste it if it wasn't going to work. And I say waste it because I used alkaline and distilled water. And oh yeah, and it's rechargeable, so that's cool. So I don't have cords anywhere for the food feeder and the water. But this little guy, he's a stray and fostering.
Ahí está Will comiendo, desayunando. comiendo espinaca. Mi Chisu comiendo espinaca, un poquito de hot dog. Y ella se las come toditas. Toditas. Muy saludable. La zanahoria también. A ver cuando termine. Ahí cayó una salchichita. Pero se lo come todo. Se lo come todo. Mira la fuente. Muy buena. Ahí está terminándose.
Yo quisiera ver otro pedidor con así. Y come de todo.
¿Cómo se come la
Mangumo, pongo,
comiendo espinaca?
zanahoria,
Come de todo.
lechuga.
I love it.
Even when the screen is off. So, I guess with Samsung One UI 8, they expanded it from brief as well as detailed. And now for feature number 2, this is where you're able to turn on a screensaver if your phone is charging, and then the screen automatically turns off. Now, that's also how I created this wallpaper here. So this is one that comes from one of the screensavers. I took a screenshot of it really quick, so this way I'd be able to have a brand new wallpaper. Now, how you're able to turn this on is go inside of your settings, and you're going to scroll down to display. Now, inside of display, go all the way down, and you have the option for screensaver. So this is maybe why you didn't see it. You might just go through these ones up over here and you're done. But it's down there on the very bottom, and you have screensaver. And again, this is something that I've actually never really used. And you can have it do a couple different things, and this is also how you can preview it. So if you wanted
Like
to
your
kind of have
water.
this little autopilot going on, it's one of those little hidden Easter eggs that you're able to play with, on your Android phone. You can have that running in the background. The other thing that you can also do, and this is the one that I like,
She likes that now. She learned to use it instead of a I'm so happy for her.
So there's water. I just finished charging it, and for some reason it just doesn't work. It won't. Fountain water. Let's try another setting, which is the time one, and it still should dispense water. And again, there is water. You can see the line. So it's been 2 months and it just completely stopped working. Charged the battery. Water's full. Lights indicating that there is no water, but there is. Try changing the mode. Nothing.
Is that good, buddy? Is that good, Tucker? That's good, huh, Tuck Tuck? That's right, baby boy.
I have to act like it's really brilliant in order to make it work. I have no credibility.